2 weeks after the Shockoe Bottom mass shooting, 3 people arrested in connection to the case have now been in front of a judge. 22-year-old Shaquan Morris, 25-year-old Drayvon Jackson Brown, and 26-year-old Carlos Johnson Jr. are all facing murder and firearms-related charges.
We will prosecute these crimes and all crimes to the fullest extent of the law.
Johnson appeared in court on Friday, while Morris and Jackson Brown were in court Monday morning. CBS 6 obtained the affidavits for all 3 suspects, which reveal who they're accused of shooting. Documents reveal Jackson Brown and Johnson had been hanging out when the argument broke out. Video shows Jackson Brown and Johnson shooting into the crowd in the same direction, despite not seeing anyone pointing a gun at them. Both are charged with killing Genesis Jones and shooting a man in the hand. Morris is charged with killing Jackson Brown's brother, Dominic. According to the affidavit, Morris was not involved in the initial fight that broke out before the shooting or associated with anyone involved. But video shows Morris pulling out a firearm and firing it into the crowd. Police Chief Rick Edwards said all 3 could face more charges as the investigation continues and more arrests could be made.
We do believe other people had firearms and were discharging them, but we do believe we have held accountable those that were responsible for the deaths.
Like Edwards just said, their work is not done. You can still send in any information related to this mass shooting as they continue to investigate. We have that number on our website, WTVR.com. Reporting in Shockoe Bottom for CBS 6, I'm Taylor Locke.